Aloha. Today I received my Quick Jacks 5000 SLX. Now they're only 3.5 inches tall, so I'll be able to park my car right over them. That blue line is where my right rear tire goes, just inside that. There is a right and left side. I have them set up so that the power unit will be at the front. Now these are rated for 5,000 pounds. My car is 3,450, so that shouldn't be a problem. Here is the power unit. It's sitting on my mechanic's stool. All the hydraulic hose fittings fit inside the drawer here. That will make it easier to move because this is on wheels. Up here on my wall, I have the hoses, I have the handles, and then on my wash rack, I have all 8 of the blocks that you use with the jacks. So everything's out of the way, hanging on the wall. Well, that's about it. Aloha and stay safe.